Welcome to 2050, a world transformed by artificial intelligence, where machines think, learn, and work alongside humans in perfect harmony. Cities are now fully automated ecosystems. AI controls energy, traffic, security, and even weather prediction with near-perfect accuracy. Self-driving cars dominate roads, reducing traffic accidents by 90% through real-time decision-making, route optimization, and predictive maintenance systems. Public transport is autonomous and electric. Buses, trains, and air taxis are controlled by AI, providing seamless, zero-emission travel experiences. Homes are fully smart. AI anticipates your needs, adjusts lighting, temperature, and groceries before you even think of them. In the kitchen, robotic chefs prepare meals tailored to your health data, taste preferences, and daily nutritional needs. Factories are entirely run by AI-powered machines. Operations continue 24/7 with zero downtime, human error, or unnecessary waste. Robots manage inventory, pack orders, and coordinate with autonomous delivery drones to ensure rapid and accurate shipping. Manufacturing has shifted to smart micro-factories. These are modular, mobile, and capable of producing anything from shoes to spacecraft parts on demand. AI engineers collaborate with robots to build robots. Machines designing machines has created exponential growth in industrial efficiency. Medical surgeries are performed by robotic arms with microscopic precision, guided by AI trained on billions of case studies. Hospitals use AI to predict illnesses before symptoms appear, revolutionizing preventive care and saving millions of lives annually. Healthcare bots monitor patients continuously. They offer emotional support, administer medication, and update doctors in real time. AI tutors adapt education to each child's learning style, creating personalized, immersive classrooms through VR and holographic environments. In agriculture, autonomous tractors, drones, and sensors manage crops, irrigation, and harvesting with AI optimizing every step. Vertical farms powered by AI algorithms grow food indoors with minimal water, no pesticides, and maximum efficiency. Smart buildings are self-healing and self-regulating. AI monitors structural health, energy use, and emergency systems. AI lawyers analyze legal documents instantly, predict court outcomes, and assist in global justice with unmatched precision. Creative industries thrive with AI collaborators. Music, art, writing, and fashion are co-created by humans and intelligent machines. AI in finance predicts markets, manages portfolios, and detects fraud faster than any human could imagine. Robots have become trusted co-workers. They handle hazardous, repetitive, or ultra-precise tasks while collaborating with humans through voice and gesture. In homes, humanoid robots assist with cleaning, childcare, and companionship, especially for the elderly and disabled. Service industries are revolutionized. AI-powered agents offer customer support, schedule appointments, and handle logistics with zero wait times. AI monitors the planet's health. It predicts earthquakes, tracks climate change, and coordinates disaster responses across the globe. Space exploration is run by autonomous rovers, drones, and AI systems. They build moon bases and prepare for Mars colonization. Global economies are AI-driven. Resources, supply chains, and labor are balanced in real time for maximum efficiency and sustainability. Jobs have evolved. Humans focus on creativity, empathy, and problem-solving while machines handle logic, speed, and scale. Basic income and reskilling programs help people transition to new roles in a world shared with intelligent machines. Governments rely on AI for policy simulations, public sentiment analysis, and real-time decision-making support. AI ethics councils ensure that all systems align with human values, rights, and the common good. Digital twins simulate entire cities, industries, or people to test solutions before applying them in the real world. Brain-AI interfaces allow humans to control machines, access knowledge, and communicate directly through thought. AI has become humanity's co-pilot. It solves problems faster, scales solutions globally, and amplifies our potential. Despite concerns, global cooperation ensures AI is used ethically, with rules that protect dignity and freedom. Like SUSB, Cribe, and Share.